I started this business with the sole aim of helping other businesses all around. So it's really amazing that I got connected with so many amazing folks in the company, and which really transformed our company to reach a greater height that I never imagined when I started back.
I'm from Magnet Brains Technical Support Department. I'm with this organization from last 2.5 years. Magnet Brains provided me an opportunity to help people worldwide.
The best part about this company is that it's not just another business company. It is more than that. We play, we enjoy, we share our thoughts, and we always come up with something that should be appreciated by you there.
Regularly talking with thousands of our WordPress members and providing help to them is really a pleasure for me.
I'm Ben Developer. I do coding like a poet. I'm very passionate about it.
Hello, I am from Magnet Brains Support Department and I enjoy to provide support.
Cooperation and teamwork is what make it best here. Even if you're stuck somewhere, there is a team that help and manage you and guide you.
Hello, I am Samir Khanwalkar, a web developer in Magnet Brains. Not so long in this company, but the small portion of my work gives a new thought to our product and it makes me happy.
I am the Chief Innovator at Magnet Brains. I love to do trainings and strengthen my team over here.
I am Sakshi. Managing things are what more easier here because of the cooperation and work environment.
Hi, this is Harshvardhan. I am working at Magnet Brains and I am a web developer.
Hi, I am Satyen. I work at Magnet Brains and I am a developer.
I am Sona. I love being in this company. I am the first one to come, last one to go.
The best part of working here is the freedom of transforming your ideas into action. If you have an idea, you are most welcome.
Every time we are sitting for writing, we always have one approach, that is to share something new and innovative with our readers.
And when you see your ideas in action, it gives so much satisfaction and happiness.
Hello, I'm Anurag. I'm a web designer at Magnet Brains.
Hello, this is Abhi Singh from Magnet Brains Support Department. As soon as I completed my studies, I joined Magnet Brains. And it's more than 2.5 years that we are working with Magnet Brains. And I wish that my company reach to more heights and we sell our products to whole world.
The objective of helping all the other businesses all around. It's been an amazing journey, and in the start we started with a group of almost 2 people, but over time we got connected with so many amazing folks all around, and we have been able to build Magnet Brains into an amazing company in just the period of last 3 years.
Hi, I am a designer. The best part of designing is to implement it in the way you thought.
I work at Magnet Brains and I am a WordPress developer.
Hi, this is Piyush. I try to handle your queries and to make you happy.
Being here is absolute fun. We have amazing break time where we discuss and learn new things from each other. It's always refreshing work here. We share, we discuss, we bring our individual thoughts together. And the best part about working here is that when it comes to work, it's not me, him or her, it's us. And that's what makes us feel connected. Each discussion brings in something creative and new approach to our way of thinking, and it improves the way we work.
A few months back, I became a part of this company. I learned new things and try to execute them.
I'm Preeti. I was looking for a good organization, and fortunately one day I met Pankaj sir, and he offered me a job in this wonderful company, and now I'm here working in great awesome people and learning new things.
It feels amazing being a part of an organization where you have people around yourself helping and interacting with each other.
I'm getting good learning exposure, world exposure, and everything is just fantastic.
After my 2.5 years of WordPress experience, I can proudly say that I'm supporting the world.
I love Magnet Brains.
Yeah!